Are you tired of drowning in client communications and administrative tasks? You're not alone. Many consultants struggle to manage their time effectively. Imagine automating your follow-ups and insights. With Laxis AI agents, this is your new reality. Laxis simplifies your workflow with 3 key benefits. First, automatic note-taking saves you hours of manual work. Next, AI-powered follow-ups ensure no client is neglected. Finally, gain insights into customer sentiment to tailor your interactions. What sets Laxis apart? Our AI SDR not only automates outreach but also prioritizes leads based on engagement potential, maximizing your efficiency. Ready to see it in action? Laxis captures conversations effortlessly, engages leads proactively, and automates timely follow-ups. Join consultants like Brian B. and Louis M., who have transformed their processes, witnessing a 30% increase in meetings booked and a 45% faster follow-up response time. Don't wait. Boost your sales team's efficiency today. Try Laxis for free or schedule a demo now.